Hi everyone, it's Molly from the resource team here at Canterbury Hills Camp. Welcome to episode 3 of our campfire cooking show. This week is a sweet week here at Canterbury, so we are making cinnamon sugar bannock as well as ice cream. So for ice cream, we're going to need a bag of ice, an extra Ziploc bag, some vanilla, sugar, salt, and whipping cream. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bowl of salt. This is 1/3 of a cup of salt into our bag of ice. So we're just going to dump the whole thing in there. And what the salt does is it makes the ice extra cold, so it makes our ice cream extra fast. Next, we're going to take a smaller Ziploc bag and our cream. And we're going to use a cup of cream. So this is just about 2 cups of cream. So I'll probably just dump about half, eyeball it. Got a little messy. So now we have our cup of cream and we're going to take our sugar. This is 3 tablespoons of sugar. Plop that right in there. And finally, our vanilla extract. And with the vanilla, we just want a tiny bit. Let's try not to spill our cream everywhere. I'm just gonna fill up in the cap so I can portion control it here because we don't want a lot at all. So just about a capful of vanilla into our bag. So seal it until it's almost full, almost closed, and push all the air out. Wow. And seal it up. And into our bag it goes. Seal up both bags. And now the fun part. Just gonna shake this bad boy up until it turns to ice cream. This might take a while. So I'm gonna use my trusty friend Paige to shake it while I make the bannock. And for our bannock, we're going to need some Bisquick, some water. We'll also need a big old mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, some cinnamon, as well as sugar. So because this is the campfire cooking show, we're just gonna guesstimate today. So we're gonna dump in Bisquick until we've got a good amount in the bottom of the bowl. So that's about as much as I have in my bowl, and I'll just dump in this water until we have a nice thick consistency. So we're going to be cooking this by making the dough and putting it onto a stick. So we want it to be a little bit thick so that it's not falling around everywhere. So I'll just mix this guy up. To spice up our bannock, we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon, just a shake on there, and a little bit of sugar, just to taste. So we've got a really good consistency here. I'm really hoping that it'll stay on my stick, it won't fall off. Oh! If you were wondering who these 2 rascals are, they are Max and Henry, and they're a bit of a distraction to us today, but that's okay. So in typical campfire fashion, we're going to take our stick and our bannock, and just with our hands, pick up a good clump, however much you want. It's a little sticky, a little messy. Onto our stick it goes. Oh god, guys.
That looks great.
Oh, that was almost a disaster. I don't know if it'll work. Maybe more bannock, maybe more Bisquick. Now my hands are all sticky.
Do you want me to shake some in?
If you don't mind, Paige. I would appreciate that.
What do you mean? You
Smells
want to get that all Bisquicky?
So we added a little bit more, hopefully stiffen it up a little bit so it's not so sloppy. We've got a lot stickier now. It's not really falling as much. So I really hope that this, oh yeah. Here we go. Now I'm gonna hand it off to my friend Caitlin to cook it for me while I wash my hands.
So Caitlin got her hands a bit dirty, so it was handed off to me. You want to get the dough over the hot coals of the fire. You don't really want to put it right in the flames. And yeah, we're just gonna see how long this takes to get nice and baked.
All right, so while Paige is cooking up some bannock, I'm going to make a cinnamon sugar mix to put on top. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some cinnamon into our plate and some sugar. About half and half, I think. And we'll mix that up. And now we have a nice, pretty cinnamon sugar mix. So it's been around 10 minutes since we started to shake up our ice cream, and you can already tell on the inside that it's actually quite firm in there. So I'm excited to try it out. Hopefully it's tasty. It's time to take out our ice cream. It's looking pretty solid in there. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. That looks like real ice cream to me. And yeah, a little soft serve, that's okay. I'm gonna try it. I don't have a spoon with me. You could probably bring your own spoon. Oh, that's actually really good. It tastes just like soft serve from McDonald's, but in the convenience of your own backyard. So we've got our little bit melted ice cream. You should probably keep it in the bag until you're ready to eat it. A good tip. And right onto Paige's lovely bannock. Oh yeah.
Oh,
yummy.
Oh,
yummy.
Look at it.
Yummy. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
That's the good stuff.
That's the stuff.
And then, just you wait. Our cinnamon sugar, a little sprinkle on top. Oh my gosh. That looks delicious. Paige, can we capture the first bite, please?
Oh my god.
Pressure's on.
Okay, just rip a little bit off the stick. Get some ice cream in there. Oh.
Oh my gosh. I'm so jealous.
That's really good.
It looks really good.
What's not to love? You got bread, cinnamon, sugar, ice cream, all the best things.
Wow. So, thanks everyone for joining us for today's Campfire Cooking Show.
This recipe is dog friendly.